YouTube and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Sam here, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this new wig that I got from Arabella's hair company. So just a few days before we get started, this wig was a 32-inch 13x4 frontal wig, body wave, virgin hair, and 210% density from Arabella's hair company, as I said before. And I did get this hair on sale. It was about $364, $374 with my Halloween coupon, something like that. But I'll link the price up there for y'all, and I will link this wig down below so that you guys can check it out if you want it. Okay, y'all, so without further ado, let's get into this package. My hair came in this little poly bag. I ordered her last Friday, I believe, and she came in today, Thursday the 29th, so about 6 days. It's going to be technical, 3 business days. Okay. So, straight from the package, this is what we get. The box, Arabella's hair company, and let's figure out what's inside. Okay, so at first, we got our little makeup patch. Then we have a little message from the company, some lashes, and finally my wig. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this little pouch first and see what they gave me. Oh, this is so cute. A little hair clip. Oh, they gave me 2. And then I've got my wig cap. And they gave me this cute little edges wrap headband scarf. And I love this pattern, y'all. It's so cute. And then I got my edges brush and comb along with the pouch. So that's everything that's inside the pouch. And this pouch is so cute. And then we got our lashes. Let's see what they're looking like. These lashes look just some regular little lashes, cute, and a note. Yeah, and then the letter was just their little Instagram, yada yada. But now, for what we all been waiting for, let's get into this hair. 32 inches, y'all. It's the longest I ever got, so I'm really excited. And it's a frontal, like, I'm ready to give you all of the feels. Okay, this is embarrassing. And here we go. So this is what she looks like. Comes with a band on the inside. 4 combs. Let me turn it around so y'all can see for real. So you've got 4 combs, 1 in the front, 1 in the back, and 2 on the sides. So this is ear to ear, and let me just show you guys the lace. I like this. The knots are very well spaced out and very light. They're not very dark. I don't need too much bleach to make this look see-through. And as you can tell, it's gonna blend right into my skin, y'all. This is so cute. I love Arabella's hair company because all of their hair comes like this. It comes with the edges. It comes pre-plucked. I never have to do too much work. The knots are always bleached, and it's great quality. This is 210% density, y'all. Very full hair, body wave, luscious curls. Okay, y'all. So this is straight out the box, you know. I haven't done anything to the hair, no bleach, no nothing. But look at how I run my fingers through the hair, and there's no shedding at all. Like, when I tell you I love Arabella's hair company, I love it. They are my personal fave, my go-to. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but 1, you only live once. 2, if you're not paying for your hair, like, you can't expect good quality. So I spend the coins on it because I want to look the best out here. So look how much I run my fingers through it, and I got long nails, y'all. And I run my fingers through it. Curls are still very much intact and there's no shedding at all. Like, that's amazing. So that's the first test. I think for this, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and do a straight out the box install. I'm not going to bleach the knots. I'm not gonna do anything to it. If I see that I should pluck, then I might add a little plucking, but I really like because she's about to get one. The knots are always bleached and it's great quality. This is 210% density, y'all. Very full hair, body wave, luscious curls. Okay, y'all, so my last video got deleted and I lost it. Really upset about that, but here she is on me. And I'm about to show you how I install this wig, so stay tuned, stick around. Y'all know what the deal is. As I was saying before I got cut off, I installed this wig straight out the box. I did not bleach the knots. I went with how it was. I did pluck a little. I said I was thinking about like not doing it, but I did do a little plucking. I'm not the best at plucking. That's really not my forte. So yeah, I just did what I could and went with it. And this is what I got after my install. And now this is a couple days after the install. It's been on my head for what, I think 7 days now. Yeah, so it's been a week. I've had this on my hair for a week now. Have not reinstalled or nothing yet. So this is what it looks like after a week of being worn. Let me stand up so y'all can see how long it is. Now, ladies, I am 5'8". This is 32 inches and this is my waist. These are my hips. I barely have them, but yeah. And this is where the hair falls. So this is long hair, y'all. Thank you, Arabella's, for my 32-inch wig. I never had hair this long. And every time I order hair, like I used to order 28 a lot and stuff, and it just never like goes to where I see on other girls. I think it was the quality of the hair I was getting, or I don't know what it was, but I finally have hair that touches my waist, touches my butt. I'm super duper excited about that. But as I was saying, this hair has been on me for a week. Beautiful maintenance, y'all. Beautiful. So far I have curled this hair, I've straightened it, and I've crimped it multiple times in that 7-day period. I've done all those hairstyles. I'm gonna show y'all after the video, and still looking really good. I'm just telling you, there's no shedding at all, guys. No shedding whatsoever. I didn't bleach knots, as I said, so don't know about that. I haven't watched it. Like, I did it straight out of the box install, as y'all are about to watch. But I'm giving this hair a 10 out of 10. Like, I just love everything about it. I only have one con. This is a frontal, you know, obviously ear to ear. The hairline does come back very far, because I would have wanted it to be like right here, and the hair itself starts right here, and then this is lace. So that's my only con. I don't know if it's because my head is big or what, but that's the only thing I would have wanted to be better. But without further ado, you guys, let me go ahead and show y'all how I installed this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful body wave wig by Okay, y'all, so for this install, I did put on the wig cap off camera. All I did was grab my Ghost Bond and I put it against my hairline. And then, as y'all just saw, I blow dried it down. And now I'm cutting off the excess lace. It's very simple, that process. You just put your wig cap on, cut out holes for your ears, and then you go ahead and glue it down and blow dry it. So yeah, that's all. Now you do want to make sure that you cut off as much extra wig cap as possible. You don't want too much wig cap, especially so that when you make your install, one, that is as flawless and as flat as possible, but two, you don't want anything to show, anything to be in the way. So just cut as much off before you get to your actual hairline. You don't want to cut where your hairline is, because you don't want that Ghost Bond going directly onto your edges. So now, y'all, I'm about to grab my wig and put it on my head just to see exactly where the hairline is going to be against my forehead. So I know that in case I need to cut any more wig head off, I don't know what to call that. If in case I need to cut any more of the wig head, or if it's good, and just, get an idea for how much glue I'm about to put down, etc. So now that I'm done measuring where it's about to go, I grab my ghost bond and I get ready to put this joint on. Now right here, I'm just cutting off the extra parts of the sides that I know I'm not going to need, because a frontal is 13 by 4, so I just cut off the little extra pieces, and then I throw my wig on and get ready to install it for real. So now that it's on my head, before I've glued anything down, I'm just checking to see what style I want to do with it. At this point, I wasn't sure how I was going to wear my hair, so I'm just checking out, side part, middle part, curly, straight, figuring out what I'm about to do. So this is me just looking around. And now that I've done all that, I'm installing my glue. So you grab your ghost bond, you put it against your hairline, and here's where you grab your popsicle stick, which is going to be your best friend when installing a wig. Grab your popsicle stick and spread out the glue to make it as flat as possible. This is how you get your glue to be as clear as this. This is how you do that. The popsicle stick is your best friend. So you just do this process twice. It's glue against your forehead, and then popsicle stick and blow dry until it's clear, and that's when you put your wig down. So you just want to make sure your glue is clear, y'all. And you do this 2 or 3 times. It really is up to you. Sometimes I do it 2 times, sometimes I do 3, right? It's whatever I'm feeling that day. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my wig down and let it just sit there so that it can, feel the glue. Then cut off that extra lace because you don't need all of that. And just let it sit there so it can, stick to the glue. And then I'm cutting my pieces, which I probably should have done before I glued it down, but whatever. And this is going to help me to cut the lace at the hairline a lot smoother. And if y'all notice that y'all have any pieces that aren't glued down as well as you wanted to, go back in and add some more glue. Like, don't be scared to add more glue. You want your wig to stay where it's at. You don't want it coming off. You don't want it sliding, slipping, lifting. No. So if you need more glue, go ahead and add it. Now, what I have right here, I think it's called a wig band. You can find it on Amazon. This is perfect for laying down your lace. Especially I do this and I'll wait as long as, it depends where I'm going. I could wait as long as 20 minutes or as short as 5 minutes just to make sure that your wig is laid down as, as much as possible. So, y'all, go ahead and grab y'all that. And now I'm cutting off the lace because time has passed and I'm ready, to wear her for real. So after you finish cutting off all your lace, go ahead and grab some rubbing alcohol and a cotton swab or pad or whatever and clean off that extra glue that's on your forehead. And then once you're done, if you need to, which I did, I added a little bit more glue to the front and blow dry that down. And then now I'm ready to start styling my hair. So I decided to go with the middle part, which is why y'all see my comb in the middle. I grab my little wax stick, pomade, whatever, and I start hot combing it down so I can get that nice, smooth, flat middle part. And yeah, so this next, what's coming next is all self-explanatory, really. Grab my wax stick, grab my hot comb, and I just start styling my hair as I please. Alright, y'all, so in the midst of recording myself doing my hair, I did run out of storage, but I was just doing final touches on the straightener, so I realized, like, y'all don't need to see all that. It's the same thing over and over again. So this is, well, obviously this isn't the exact final look from that day, because this is 7 days later, but this is what the hair looks like on me now. And as y'all saw before I started filming, y'all seen, y'all seen my reviews and everything, how I feel about it, the maintenance, so yeah, this is the hair. Just want to give y'all a nice little ear to ear close up one more time. She's beautiful, beautiful wear. You can wear any style with this hair. It is body wave, but as I mentioned before, I did crimps, I did curls, and I straightened it. I don't have the best straightener, as y'all can see, but this is perfect multi-use hair, y'all. I wouldn't say every day, because you don't walk out your house every day with 32 inches on, but this is beautiful. When you want that long hair, Arabella's is ready to go. And this is what, $325, something like that. Like, it doesn't get that much cheaper for 32 inches, 210% density. Like, if you were sleeping on Arabella's before, hop on the wave now. But that is all I have to say for this review, you guys. I hope you loved it as much as I do. I hope you guys like this hair, and I hope y'all go out and buy it. The link will be down below, and stay tuned for my next video, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.